Hello friends, myself Sarita Pachpande from Madhyamik Vinay Mandir, Nasik Road. Our today's topic is refraction of light. And in that topic, we are going to see refraction of light, laws of refraction, refractive index, dispersion of light. If we put a pencil in a water filled in a glass, it gets bends at the boundary of the water. Why is it so? It is nothing but it is the refraction of light. The same way we can see in this picture also. The pencil is deep, it gets caught at the boundary of the water because the travel of light is from water medium to the air one. Let us see what is the definition of refraction of light. Refraction of light means it is the phenomenon of the change in the direction of light. The phenomenon of change the direction of light when it travels from one transparent medium to the another one. It is known as the refraction of light. See how the refraction of light takes place through the glass slab. Now, in that case, if we put up A and B pins above side of the glass, the ray must be travel in this section. But what happens after observing the image, we get the pins here at C and D. According to our rule, it must be on that line. But what happens, see here, instead of in this straight line, they changes their path at the tangent from air to glass also and glass to air also. See what happens from air to glass. From air to glass, it bends towards the tangent, and from glass to air, it goes away from the tangent. Because air is a rare and glass is a denser medium, so it goes towards the tangent at point A, and at point E, it is angle of emergence, means it travels from glass to air, so it goes away from the tangent. That is a phenomenon of refraction of light. Now let us see what are the laws of refraction of light. The first law is the incident ray and the refracted ray are on the opposite side of the normal. The second law, the incident ray and refracted ray are on opposite sides of the normal. All the three lie in the same plane, and the third one is sin I upon sin R is constant, and that constant is known as refractive index and denoted by neta, and the refractive index of diamond is higher. Students, find yourself why the refractive index of diamond is higher. The answer is related with the structure of the diamond, which we have studied in the 8th standard. Now let us see how the rays travels in different media. The first one is from rarer medium to denser, bends towards the normal, just we have seen. Second, from denser to rarer medium, bends away from the normal. And the third one, if the ray is incident normally, they does not get refracted. As there is no refraction, there is no change in the path also takes place. These are the three rules for the refraction of light. Now let us see what are the examples of refraction of light. Do you know the mirage which we have seen in the desert area? We can see a mirage on a hot road or in a desert. The air near the hot road is hot, hence rarer than the air above it, and that's why in this way the refractive index of air keeps increasing as we go on to the increasing heights. And according to the laws of refraction, the direction of light rays coming from a distance keeps changing and we can feel mirage. The second example is twinkling of stars. What is the twinkling of stars? It is because of the change in the refractive index of air, because air is a mobile, and that's why the refractive index of air keeps changing continuously, and the position and the brightness of star keep change continuously, and so the stars appears to be twinkling. This is also because of refractive index of refraction of light. The third one example is the early sunrise and delay sunset. What happens in this early sunrise and delay sunset? This is also refraction of light. The light rays are able to reach us along a curved path due to their refraction. We see the sun even before it emerges above the horizon. And the same happens at the time of sunset also, and that's why even it goes below the horizon, we can see the sun for a short while. The next topic is dispersion of light. What is a dispersion? The process of separation of light into its component colors while passing through a medium is dispersion of light. Remember the name VIBGYOR, VIBGYOR, VIBGYOR. So if a question may be asked that put a proper sequence in the light of the sequence of the deviation. Red light has a maximum wavelength, so it deviates minimum, and the violet light has the smallest wavelength, so the deviation is maximum. The wavelength of red light is given close to 700 and of violet is 400, and we can see the radiation of wavelength 400 to 700 nanometer. And what is a nanometer? 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 9 meter, and this is a dispersion of light. Now, partial reflection. When light travels from one medium to another, the part of it gets again come back in the first one. That is a partial reflection, means no total reflection takes place. Critical angle means the value of R becomes 90 degree, and total internal reflection means I is greater than the critical angle, means obviously larger than 90 degree. What is total reflection? I is greater than 90 degree, that is greater than critical angle. And rainbow is the combined effect of refraction, dispersion and total internal reflection of light. See how the rainbow happens in the nature from the next diagram. In this diagram, at point A, white light from the sun comes and travels in the water drop. Water drop works as a prism, so at point B, after a refraction, it gets dispersed inside the water bulb, and at point C the total internal reflection takes place, and again after refraction we can see the rainbow. And that's why we say that rainbow is nothing but it is the combined effect of refraction, dispersion and total internal reflection of light. Remember, the sequence must be the same: refraction, dispersion and total internal reflection, RDT. If we put the prism in such a way, the first prism shows deviation, dispersion of light into 7, and the second in the inverted position shows recombination of the light, and we can get a white light again. The question may be asked for the diagram and for explanation also. And the assignment on this, that fill in the blanks, and second type is choose the correct alternative. We are meeting students early by taking a new song on this refraction of light. Thank you.